Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best drip system is probably one of the most efficient and time-saving ways to keep your garden hydrated, especially during those hot summer months when manual watering just doesn't cut it. Imagine lush, healthy plants without the constant hassle of dragging hoses or remembering to water every single day. This automated solution delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing evaporation and ensuring that every drop counts, leading to healthier growth and reduced water bills. It's a game changer for busy gardeners and anyone looking to optimize their plant care routine. Number 5. Flantor Drip Irrigation System. Introducing the Flantor Drip Irrigation System, designed to make watering your garden simple and efficient. Say goodbye to tedious hand watering and hello to effortless care for your plants. This system provides even, all-around watering, perfect for gardens, flower beds, and potted plants. It ensures every plant receives the hydration it needs, conserving water with every use. Enjoy peace of mind while you're away. It can water your plants automatically, ensuring they thrive even when you're on a business trip or traveling. With a two-way faucet connector, you can customize the water flow to different areas. This ensures optimal watering for all your plants, no matter their needs. Featuring two types of adjustable nozzles, it caters to the specific water demands of different plants simultaneously. This means healthier plants and less worry for you. Installation is a breeze, requiring no special skills or digging. The included manual with pictures makes setup straightforward for anyone. Ideal for gardens, lawns, greenhouses, patios, and more, this system is perfect for a wide variety of plants and settings. It's the ultimate solution for all your watering needs. What we like. This system offers full coverage watering, perfect for small gardens and flower beds. Its adjustable nozzles cater to different plant needs simultaneously. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss setup that delivers even watering to all your plants, this is a great choice. What people say. The drip irrigation system is easy to set up and customize for different plant needs. It effectively waters plants evenly and reduces water waste significantly. The timer function allows for automated watering schedules, which is very convenient. Number 4. Raindrip R560DP Automatic Drip Watering System. Tired of watering your plants manually? This automatic drip irrigation kit provides a simple solution to keep up to 20 plants perfectly hydrated. It saves you time and effort while ensuring your garden thrives. Setting up your new watering system is a breeze. Just connect the timer and tubing to your water source, lay out the tubing, and attach the drippers. You'll have a customized system ready in just 3 easy steps. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this system is designed for ease. It's simple to customize, install, and operate, offering worry-free watering with its timer-controlled functionality. Assembly is straightforward thanks to its user-friendly design. Simply screw threaded ends together and push the barbed fittings into the tubing for a quick and secure connection. It's compatible with most existing drip watering systems. This comprehensive kit includes a water timer, 75 feet of supply tubing, 20 drippers, and all necessary fittings and clamps. You'll have everything required to build a complete and efficient drip irrigation system. What we like. This kit comes with a timer, automating your watering for up to 20 plants. It's designed for easy, customizable setup in just 3 steps. If you're a beginner gardener or someone who wants a complete, hassle-free solution for containers and hanging baskets, this is the one for you. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program, allowing for customized watering schedules. The drip emitters deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing water waste and preventing fungal diseases. The kit includes a variety of fittings and tubing, making it adaptable to different garden layouts. Number 3. Maotong 240-foot Drip Irrigation System Kit. Introducing the Maotong 240-foot Drip Irrigation System Kit, your all-in-one solution for automatic garden watering. This comprehensive kit is designed to keep your plants healthy and hydrated with minimal effort. With 40 feet of 1/2-inch main tubing and 200 feet of 1/4-inch distribution tubing, you have the flexibility to create one long system or 2 smaller ones. It includes 136 parts and ample accessories to suit your specific gardening needs. We've upgraded the main tubing to a 1-2-inch diameter to ensure it can handle high water pressure effectively. This design allows for optimal water delivery throughout your garden. This automatic watering system can save up to 80% of water compared to traditional methods. It efficiently waters up to 250 square feet, ensuring all your plants, trees, and flowers receive the hydration they need. Customize your watering with 3 different types of sprayers included. You'll receive drip emitters, vortex emitters, and misting nozzles to precisely control the water flow for various plant types. Setting up your new watering system is a breeze. Simply connect the main tubing to your faucet, attach the distribution tubing and emitters, and follow the included instructions for a quick and easy installation. What we like. With a 1-2-inch main hose and the ability to build 2 separate systems, this kit offers excellent water flow and flexibility. It includes 3 different types of sprayers for diverse watering needs. If you have a larger area to cover or want the option to create 2 independent watering zones, this kit provides the capacity and versatility you need. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program, and it has multiple watering schedule options. The drip emitters are adjustable, allowing for precise watering of different plants. The kit includes a good variety of tubing and connectors, making it versatile for various garden layouts. Number 2. Drip Irrigation System Kit. Tired of complicated installations? Our system features quick connect fittings that let you push, lock, and secure tubing effortlessly. Enjoy a frustration-free setup and get your garden watering system running in minutes. Our upgraded quick connect design creates a tight seal, keeping water flowing exactly where you need it without waste or mess. Save water, avoid puddles, and keep your garden neat and efficient. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to customize your irrigation layout for raised beds, potted plants, or greenhouse setups. Build your system right out of the box with no extra trips or missing parts. With adjustable emitters, you can control water flow from a gentle drip to a full spray. Ensure each plant gets exactly what it needs, promoting healthier growth without over or underwatering. Connect easily to a hose timer and automate your watering schedule. It's perfect for vacations or busy days, keeping your plants thriving even when you're away. What we like. This system boasts quick connect fittings for frustration-free, tool-free installation and leak-free connections. It also features adjustable emitters for precise water flow to each plant. If you dislike struggling with traditional fittings and want a secure, efficient watering system that's a breeze to set up, this is the ideal option. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program, allowing for customizable watering schedules. The drip emitters provide a consistent and even water distribution directly to the plant roots, promoting healthier growth and reducing water waste. The kit includes a variety of fittings and tubing lengths, making it adaptable to different garden layouts and plant types. Number 1. Spalolen Push-to-Connect Drip Irrigation System Kit. Say goodbye to difficult installations. Our system features a simple push-and-lock design, allowing you to connect tubing in just 1 second. It's the easiest way to set up your garden watering system, perfect for beginners. Enjoy a reliable watering experience with our leak-resistant and pop-off resistant fittings. Designed with locking clips and O-rings, it minimizes leaks and ensures your system stays connected, even under pressure. This kit includes a 50 feet 1-2 mainline, providing a more stable and farther water flow compared to standard kits. It's ideal for larger gardens, greenhouses, and extensive raised bed setups. Tailor your watering with adjustable stream and vortex emitters. Easily control the water flow to precisely meet the needs of vegetables, flowers, shrubs, and more, ensuring optimal plant health. Everything you need is in one box. This comprehensive kit includes mainline tubing, drip emitters, faucet adapters, and various fittings for a flexible and clean garden watering setup. Need to expand? Our system offers seamless compatibility with a full range of expansion fittings. Easily add more tubing, connectors, and emitters to keep your garden thriving as it grows. What we like. Forget heating tubes, this system uses easy push-and-lock fittings for a quick, struggle-free installation. Its leak-resistant design ensures water goes where it's needed. If you're a beginner gardener who wants the easiest possible setup with a reliable, durable system, especially for larger raised beds or greenhouses, this kit is perfect. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program. The drip emitters deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing water waste. The system is expandable and can be customized to fit different garden sizes and layouts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.